If you use Calendly to let people book time with you, knowing how to change your default availability is one of the most useful things you can learn. It helps you control when meetings can be scheduled, avoid double booking, and make sure your calendar actually matches your real working hours. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your default Calendly availability quickly and easily. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar. This is where Calendly keeps most of the main settings you'll need, including your scheduling and availability options. Now click on Availability. This section controls when people can book meetings with you, so this is the place we need to be. After that, you'll see your default availability schedule. Click on that schedule to open it up. Default availability is the base schedule Calendly uses for your booking types, unless you've set something custom for a specific event. So if you want to change your general working hours, this is the schedule you'll want to edit. Now look through the days of the week. Click the day you want to edit. For example, if you want to change your Monday hours, select Monday first. Calendly will show you the current available time blocks for that day. From here, you can change the available hours if your schedule has shifted, or you can add new time slots if you want to open up more time for bookings. Let's say you normally start at 9 a.m., but now you want to begin at 10 a.m. instead. You would adjust that time block so the available hours match your new schedule, or maybe you want to add an afternoon slot after lunch. In that case, you can create an extra time range so people can book during that window too. If you need to update more than one day, repeat the same process for any other days you want to change. This is useful if your schedule is different on weekdays versus weekends, or if you work shorter hours on certain days. Take your time here and make sure each day reflects the exact availability you want Calendly to show. As you make changes, it's always a good idea to double check everything before saving. That way, you won't accidentally leave yourself open during times you don't want meetings, or block off hours that should actually be available. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. After you save, your default Calendly availability will be updated, and anyone booking with you will now see the new hours you set. That means your scheduling link will reflect your current routine, not your old one. It's a simple change, but it can make a huge difference in how organized your calendar stays. If you want, you can also revisit this same area anytime your schedule changes again. Whether you're adjusting for a new job, different time zone, seasonal hours, or just a better work routine, Calendly makes it pretty easy once you know where to look. And that's it. You now know how to change your default Calendly availability step by step. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.